Hello, Sagittarius, and welcome to your May reading. So your card in the Aboriginal goddess chakra oracle is self-love. So this energy is one of unconditional love that I feel like you, Sagittarius, are trying to teach yourself this month. I feel like you're coming into more acceptance for yourself, or trying to reach that level of healing. Also, sorry if you can hear snoring. I mean, I can't help that. In every room, I've got a kid snoring in. So, please, if it is annoying, I am so sorry. To me, I find it relaxing, so there we go. Sagittarius, what's coming in May for you? We have the Page of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Six of Cups. So what I'm being told straight off, and I will clarify the cards, is that you are maturing within, your emotions. You are gaining a lot more confidence and self-worth, and you are being able to see a vision for your future or even present situation a lot more clearer. The Six of Cups here is showing me that someone is coming to reconnect with you, or to connect with you. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. That is a squeaky bed. I cannot help that either. So Sagittarius, someone is coming for you in May, whether that be to rekindle a connection or to start a new connection. So let's keep going. We've got the Fool. So a new direction is coming for you, Sagittarius, in an area I feel like is connected to relationships, but we will clarify. A new beginning is coming for you. What else is coming in May for Sagittarius? We have the Moon card. There's a lot of water coming through here too. We've got Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio coming through. We have the King of Swords. So I feel like you guys are learning how to communicate something to someone, or just generally learning how to communicate to those that around you, whoever it be. I'm getting this sense of you maturing this month. Not to say that you're not already matured. I feel like there's just a lot more growth within you. And maybe you're seeing a different side of a situation a lot more clearer and able to overcome something in a mature way. And I feel like that is via communicating something here. So let's go. What else is coming for Sagittarius in May? I'm going to keep pulling cards out. It's coming for Sagittarius in May. Okay, guys. Sagittarius. I do feel like there is some financial difficulties that do block you in or have been blocking you in order to make a decision or to move past a blockage in your life. Now, there's something with a connection coming through in May that is going to make you extremely sensitive and overwhelmed. This makes me feel like someone's coming back into your life that you haven't seen in a very long time. But in saying that, the Six of Cups talks about, doesn't always talk about a past connection. It also talks about, new connections. So this could feel like someone that you've known for a long time but only just met. I don't want to say love at first sight, but for some, I'm getting that. For others, you're just going to meet a friend that I feel like you guys bond with a lot, and there's some form of soul contract with you and this person. There's been a past life, and that's why it feels so strong. See, I'm being told also that this new direction for you, Sagittarius, is something that you have been reflecting upon. And perhaps you are making steps towards this new direction. But I feel like you've got to communicate something to someone. So whether that be a boss or a family member, spouse, I'm being told that your intuition also is very on point this month. And there's something to do with either needing to release codependency, forms of addiction, can be physical or emotional. And that's just for some. Now I'm going to get some more cards here and see. Clarify the Page of Cups, please. Clarify the Page of Cups, please. Ace of Wands. I'm just going to continue pulling out cards, and I know this is probably the most frustrating part of the reading, but I'm going to get all the cards out and then explain what is coming for you, Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius, straight off the bat, we have the Fool coming up twice for you. Definitely a new beginning, a new path is coming for you guys. And on the bottom of the deck, we've got the 10 of Wands. Okay, so there's some difficulties when it comes to needing to communicate something, because some of you are fearing this new beginning in some sense of, like, you know, fearing the unknown. Will it work out? Should I say this? Will it cause more trouble than it's necessary? What I'm being told is that you're manifesting this new direction no matter what. Some of you are contemplating about ending a relationship, and some of you are contemplating about starting a new relationship. For some of you have already met the person you want to move on to next, is what I'm seeing, and that could be something that's quite difficult to communicate. Another thing I'm seeing is about finances, and just needing to communicate something about your finances, and possibly if you do have some forms of codependency, an addiction, then it's something that a spirit is asking you to seek help with this month. There is something about you needing to communicate and be honest with yourself about the future and what you want to manifest, what you want to co-create with your person, or you could just be needing to journal, and journaling will help you be able to manifest this quite quickly. I'm being told that there is definitely a new beginning, a new start in love for Sagittarius, whether that is self-love and you are choosing self-love, or you're choosing to enter a new relationship. I'm getting a lot about needing to make a decision. And Spirit's like, you always follow your heart, right? The Queen of Wands talks about, you know, this really caring, passionate energy, and very inspirational almost, so some of you have like a really good plan, goal to move forward, but there's the obstacle I feel is coming from within you, Sagittarius. So let's get some more. Sagittarius, what's coming in May? We have the Empress. So time to take action, the power of creativity, success that allows for a life of luxury. So a month to pamper yourself, a month definitely for self-love and self-care. The Empress is all about self-nurturing, self-love, unconditional love. You guys are really, really shining your beauty this month. And yeah, Spirit can see that, and I feel like people around you can also see this. I'm seeing that your finances, for some of you, are not the best, and that's why you are manifesting this new beginning. And when you do so, you're manifesting success and allowing a life of luxury. So you're manifesting a lot of material things for you if you follow this new direction. if you follow your creativity, your skills, your passion. For others, I feel like you're already at that level of success, and this month is, they're telling you to, spoil yourself, indulge yourself, and that's okay. I feel like you guys work pretty hard. We've got the Nine of Summer, so wishes coming true, dreams being fulfilled, and a magical time of life. Princess of Summer, gentle, sensitive, kind, inexperienced. A new relationship or emotional experience. Invitations to social events, a compassionate friend you can share your concerns with. I told you guys, there's someone coming for you, either love or friendship. Prince of Autumn, dependable, protective, and humorous. So cautious but wise action. Pay attention to the details and kindness to others. So a lot about kindness is coming forward for Sagittarius. So you guys are just like, you're so nice. And people are drawn to you, is what I'm being told. You guys are actually really funny. And also with your decision and what you're trying to manifest here, they're also telling you to pay attention to the details when you manifest things into your life. Like if you're writing down the perfect job or the perfect partner or whatever it be, literally don't miss any details when you're writing and manifesting it down. Yeah, I'm going to see what else is coming for Sagittarius in May. We have the Starfish spirit, so open to infinite possibilities. Horse spirit, freedom is yours. Flamingo spirit, embrace the in-between. And let's go, one more. Coyote spirit, trust in the divine detours. So some of you are like, not going to see this new direction, this new beginning coming, or this change coming in May. But that's okay. You need to have faith that it is the right direction and that you're being pulled to something more abundant, to more possibilities. Keep your faith. Also, you have free will. That's going to be important for May for you. Some of you are in between of making a decision. You're not here and you're not there yet. So it's like you're in the between. And definitely a new start is coming. And yeah, I hope that has helped you, Sagittarius. And if you would like a more in-depth reading, check out my link below to my Facebook. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.